So now I have tried this example to prove using the principle of mathematical induction. So we have 22 plus 56 plus 102 until the last term 12n plus 10 equals to n 6n plus 16. So I will try to prove that these terms will be equivalent to n times 6n plus 16. So to check, first we have the first term, which is the 22. So we will check. It's for the value of n as 1. So n times 6n plus 16. So 1. Substitute the value of n. Let's see if it will be equivalent to 22. 6 plus 16. So 22. Okay. Then next we will have the second term, which is 56. So let's try to check. Substitute the value of n equals 2 times, so 12 plus 16 equals 28 times 2 equals 56. Okay, so it's correct. Then let's have the third term, the 102. Again, substitute the value of n. 3 plus 16. So we have here 18 plus 16. 18 plus 16 times 3. So 18 plus 16 is 34 times 3. 34 times 3 is 102. So now let's proceed to proving. So assuming that n equals to k, so we will replace the n to k. We have 22 plus 56 plus 102 to the last term 12k plus 10 equals to k times 6k plus 16. Then now we will add this k with 1. So assuming that our n equals to k plus 1. Again, replace n with k plus 1. 22 plus 56 plus 102 to the last term 12k plus 1 plus 10 equals to k plus 1 times 6k plus 1 plus 16. So now we will prove this equation. We will prove if this equation equals to this. And also we will substitute the value. Next, is we have this first, the k 6k plus 16 plus, because we will replace this terms to this equation. So k times 6k plus 16 plus this last term 12k plus 1 plus 10 equals if this would be equals to this equation, k plus 1 times 6k plus 1 plus 16. Then next is this first equation, using the distributive property, k times 6k equals to 6k squared plus k times 16 equals 16k plus 12 times k equals to 12k plus 12 times 1 equals 12 plus 10. And in here, so copy the first quantity and distribute this equation. 6k plus 6 plus 6k plus 6 plus 16. Then next is we will add the like terms. We have here the 16k and the 12k. So 16k plus 12k equals to 28k plus 12 plus 10, 22 equals to k plus 1. 6k, 6 plus 16 equals 22. Wait. Oh, okay. 6k plus 22. Then, okay, copy this. Standard form. Then, we will prove if this will be equivalent to this equation. Using again the distributive property, k times 6k equals 6k squared, plus k times 22, 22k, plus 1 times 6k equals 6k, plus 1 times 22 equals 22. Then combine again the like terms, plus 22k plus 6k equals 28k plus 22. So we can see that this equation is equivalent to this equation. So it has been proved by mathematical induction principle.